Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Lori. So today's video is going to be a Pottery Barn and Williams Sonoma home decor haul. I have not done a haul in such a long time, and I've had these things for about a month and a half since we lived in Florida. And I've been fighting the flu and life has just been so crazy, so I haven't had time to film this haul. If you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe button down below and follow me on my lovely Texas home on Instagram. And yeah, so let's get started with this haul. So if you guys follow my channel, you know how much I love blue and white stuff. These were actually on sale for I believe $44, and they're a set of 4, which I felt like was a good deal, especially for Pottery Barn. I don't normally shop a bunch at Pottery Barn, but this particular style they had, it's no longer available, which I'm so sorry for, because when I bought it, it was already like on clearance. I think these normally went for like 90 something dollars. So they're pretty expensive, but I do have the bowls, the blue and white bowls from them, and here are the salad plates. You guys, look how beautiful that is. I love this. I was so excited when I saw this. They did have the whole set, which was I believe around $200, and I could not get myself to purchase that. Like, it was too expensive for me. But I love these. So I have the 4 bowls and I have 4 of these plates. The other thing I found from this collection was this beautiful bowl. Isn't that gorgeous, guys? Oh my gosh, I was so excited when I saw this. It's pretty big, as you can see. This is a good bowl to just throw in some fruits. It's just like perfect. So I love that. I'm not sure if that one is available. I will look online. Anything that I talk about right now, I will link it down below so you guys can check it out. I believe the thing that people misconstrue a lot is that Williams Sonoma and Pottery Barn are super duper expensive. But guys, they always have sale. If you go and check out their clearance, it's normally like 70% off. And most of the time I buy stuff from there, it's always on sale. I never buy full price. I think I've only bought one thing full price, and that's because I just really wanted it. But they always have clearance. For example, I bought these gorgeous galvanized tins. They're so freaking cute. This is a small. This is the large. Look how large that is. This is a large, this is a small. I got this, I believe, for $4 and $8. So that's what I'm saying. Like, you never know what you can find when you go in the clearance section, because they have a lot of sale. And I feel like these are super cute. I'm gonna throw some flowers in here. I love the galvanized feel. You guys know I love that. So I definitely recommend going on there and shopping online, because they always have so much clearance. In the store, they don't have as much sale. I will say that. In both of the stores, in Williams Sonoma and Pottery Barn, there's not much sale, but online, you can find some good deals. So the next thing I got is, I forgot I even bought this. So this is a baking mat from Williams Sonoma. It is the half sheet baking mat, and I believe I got this on sale for about $8, I think it was. I'm not too sure. I will link everything down below, but it's just a Williams Sonoma baking mat. I will say I am a little bit bougie when it comes to, I like buying stuff that says Williams Sonoma. I don't know why. It just, the fact that it says Williams Sonoma right there, I just think it looks really cool, and I don't know, I like that. So the next thing I got was from Williams Sonoma as well. I thought these were so cute. There are 3 bottles like this, and it's basically just for juice. Oh crap, I'm gonna break it. How do we open? Oh, there you go. Okay, so yeah, so that's the bottle, and that's how you open them right there. You just pop it open like that. Pretty cool. And this is a set of 3. I want to say these were, I don't remember, guys. I don't want to give you prices and not be sure, because if I say they're too expensive or they're too cheap, you're gonna be like, what? So I will just link everything down below. So the next thing I got was perfect. I saw this and I was like, yes. You guys know I love my white kitchen and my wood accents. When I saw this paper towel holder, I was just like, I need this. This is beautiful. It's such a beautiful wood, and it's so like old school. I just love anything that looks vintage. You guys already know this. And this is from Williams Sonoma. I thought it was so cute, and I can't remember the price. Like I said, I will link everything down below. I cannot remember for the life of me. The next thing I got is from Pottery Barn, and you guys, look how freaking adorable this is. I think it said it was like a pizza something. I thought it was so cute, and I'm gonna use it for decor. I'm probably not gonna put pizza in here. I probably will use it for decor just because I love the way it looks. It is so beautiful. And this is from Pottery Barn. Okay, and the last piece I got is super huge. I don't even think it'll fit in the whole frame, But I got this from Pottery Barn and I just fell in love with it. I feel like this is a perfect tray to have when you have guests over and you want to place a tray on their bed with a little welcome note, some water, little snacks and stuff. I feel like this is perfect for that, and that's why I bought it. And this is what it looks like. It is huge. Can you see how big that is? It is so big. Actually, it's from Williams Sonoma. Yeah, so this is actually from Williams Sonoma. Not everybody, but I feel like sometimes I get judgment because I shop at Williams Sonoma and Pottery Barn. But you guys, I'm telling you, these pieces from Williams Sonoma and Pottery Barn will last a lifetime. You can tell the difference immediately versus Home Goods, TJ Maxx, or other stores versus Pottery Barn and Williams Sonoma. They're just made differently. It's really heavy, it's real wood, it's very sturdy. And you don't find that kind of stuff at like a TJ Maxx or a Home Goods. So sometimes, and don't get me wrong, I love TJ Maxx and Home Goods and I shop there most of the time. But sometimes for special pieces, I want to have something that will last and I don't have to worry about replacing it over and over and over again. So I definitely recommend going online and looking at the clearance because they always have something there, guys. They have really good sales. So that's all for this home decor haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. And also follow me on Instagram at mylovelytexashome. And thank you guys so much for all the love and for asking me where I am. I know I have been taking forever with these videos. Life has just been so crazy and I will fill you guys in on that soon. Like I said in my intro to My Lovely Texas Home, we now have a vlog channel called My Lovely Texas Life. It's always the featured channel on my page, so make sure you guys go subscribe to that because we do plan on doing some update videos on there and some vlogs on there as well. So yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.